Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into your Metamask account. First, ensure you have the Metamask extension installed on your browser or the app on your mobile device. Once installed, simply click the Metamask Fox icon, usually found in your browser's toolbar or on your phone's home screen. You will then be prompted to enter your password to unlock your wallet and access your funds. This process is quick and secures your digital assets. If you need to restore your wallet, perhaps on a new device, you'll use your secret recovery phrase. This phrase, typically 12 words long, is crucial for regaining access. Carefully enter each word in the exact order it was given to you during setup. After successfully inputting the phrase, you will be prompted to create a new password for your restored Metamask account. Remember, never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Protecting your Metamask account is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security if Metamask offers this feature. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be support. Your vigilance is your best defense. Beyond basic login, Metamask allows you to seamlessly connect to a vast ecosystem of decentralized applications, or dApps, for various blockchain interactions. You can also manage multiple distinct accounts within your single Metamask wallet, making it easy to organize your digital assets. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Keeping your digital and physical spaces fresh is always a good idea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.